Okay, I want your back. You want to go home now. He want to poop, he want to eat. Kaya ganito siya. Ala. See, yun nyo naman. Kung maglakad. Napakagwapo ng alaga ko. Oh, open the gate. You don't know how to open the gate? Come on, brody. Ay, yes. You don't know how to open the gate. Oh, hala. Go. Stay there. Wait for me. Cute ng aso na yung maliit. Pero mas gusto ko pa yun ng malaking aso. Ang aking brody boy. Ayan, pauwi na kami. Pauwi na kami, guys. Tumabay lang sa dog park. Okay guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.